Hello, this is the smart plate setup to drive a aquaguard based on the weight of a water bottle kept on this smart plate, and the aquaguard is driven through this relay. One relay is for the UV light turn on, and the other relay is to start the flow. And now this plate is driven by battery and also connected through Wi-Fi. So you can see here the weight kept here is 0.04 kg. So consider this as empty. This is the zero error. So now I put some weight, 1 kg chini packet on the pallet, 500 gram chana, another 500 gram dal. So I have put almost 2 kg items on it, so it should come up to 2 kg. So the Wi-Fi is little slow, but the relay action is really fast. Okay, so this is now almost 2 kg, and now I put a small another packet of 200 grams, so it should now go more than 2 kg. So the relay setup is such that once the bottle weight is more than 6 kg, the relay should turn off. So I have this 5 kilo atta packet. I will put it on top of here, so you should look at the relay. It should go off now. Yes, it gone off, and you see the weight. It is nearly 7 kg. Okay, so again the setup is such that once the weight is again below 2 kg, the relay should turn up. First the UV LED will turn up, and then the water flow LED will turn up. So let me remove this 5 kg of atta, so the screen goes off. Yeah, so it's now still more than 2 kg, so the relay is not on. So now I will remove some of this dal so that the weight is below 2. Look at the relay. So see the relay turn up, though the Wi-Fi is little slow to catch up. And this is first the aquaguard, and next the water flow relay come up. Okay, remove one. So I have only 1 kg of this chini. So this is how this aquaguard driver will work. Okay, thank you very much.